AI is taking over the world, at least when it comes to jobs. From diagnosing diseases to teaching students, artificial intelligence is reshaping industries. But what if I told you there are 3 professions that AI simply can't replace? Even Bill Gates agrees. Stay tuned as we uncover these AI-proof careers. In a recent discussion, Bill Gates highlighted how AI will revolutionize professions like medicine and education. AI-powered doctors can analyze X-rays, diagnose illnesses, and even suggest treatments. Virtual teachers can customize lessons for students based on learning speed. But does this mean doctors and teachers will disappear? Not quite. AI can assist, but human professionals bring empathy, creativity, and real-world judgment, things that technology still struggles with. But apart from these fields, Gates pointed out that some professions remain irreplaceable. So, what are these 3 AI-proof careers? Let's break it down. Jobs that require physical dexterity and problem-solving in unpredictable environments are incredibly hard for AI to master. A robot might be able to assemble cars in a factory, but can it fix your leaky sink or rewire your house? Not anytime soon. Electricians, craftsmen, plumbers, and mechanics will always be in demand. Yes, AI can generate music, write stories, and even paint. But true creativity? That's human. Writers, musicians, and artists create from personal experience and emotion. AI can assist, but it lacks original thought and real inspiration. Transitioning, we enter a realm of creative endeavors, where imagination paints the skies. Here, artists dip brushes in ingenuity's palette, musicians transform silence into symphonies. Filmmakers translate visions into visual epics. Human essence reigns supreme, defying automated attempts to replicate. In the boardrooms and beyond, we find leadership and strategy roles, the realm where empathy, foresight, and negotiation are unrivaled. Leading a company, running a country, or negotiating global peace deals requires emotional intelligence, ethics, and vision. AI can analyze data, but it can't lead with wisdom. People trust human leaders. So, while AI may change how we work, it won't eliminate who we are. As Bill Gates puts it, AI will enhance human capabilities, not fully replace them. The key is to adapt, learn, and grow alongside this new technology. Concluding, we glimpse a future woven with humans and AI as partners, not adversaries. With Bill Gates' voice blending optimism and realism, AI is portrayed as a tool enhancing human endeavors rather than a harbinger of obsolescence. What do you think? Will AI take over more jobs than we expect? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tech insights, subscribe to Tech Ed Revolution.